Today, we've got big news. Because the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is no longer just a rumor. Real hands-on footage has surfaced, and it gives us our first authentic look at DJI's next compact creator camera. Real store sighting. According to reports, the device was spotted inside an official DJI retailer at Fahrenheit 88 in Bukit Bintang, Kuala Lumpur. A customer was seen holding the new Pocket 4, and store staff recorded a short video and shared it online. The clip was quickly deleted, but screenshots and highlights were captured. And from what we can see, the Pocket 4 looks very real, and very close to launch. Smooth stabilization is back. The first thing that stands out in the footage is the classic 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Even during a casual store walkthrough, the video looks incredibly smooth. No shake, no jitter, just that floating cinematic look the Pocket series is known for. For vloggers, travelers, and creators who shoot while walking, this is exactly what you want from a pocket-sized camera. Familiar design, with smart upgrades. The flip-out OLED screen returns, allowing vertical shooting. Selfie framing, flexible viewing angles. The physical joystick is also still there, giving precise control over camera movement without relying only on touch controls. But the biggest visible upgrade? A built-in front LED light. This could be a game-changer for low-light content. Whether you're shooting at night, indoors, or in a dim restaurant, you no longer need to attach an external light. Just turn it on and start recording. That's exactly what the Osmo Pocket is about: grab, shoot, and go. What about the specs? Now let's talk performance. Early leaks, including an accidental retailer listing, suggest the camera may still max out at 4K resolution. But here's the interesting part. It could support 4K at 240 frames per second. That means ultra-smooth slow motion while keeping file sizes manageable, something many creators actually prefer over higher resolutions like 6K. The same listing also hinted at a March 2026 release, which lines up perfectly with this real-world sighting. Battery and connectivity improvements. Battery life is also expected to get a major boost. Rumors suggest the capacity could increase enough to push recording time from around 166 minutes to over 200 minutes. That's a big improvement for travel days, events, and long shooting sessions. Other expected upgrades include Wi-Fi 6 for faster file transfers, a brighter OLED display for outdoor use, improved autofocus and AI subject tracking. Even in the short retail clip, focus transitions looked smooth and accurate, great news for solo creators. Practical upgrades over hype. What's interesting here is DJI's strategy. Instead of chasing headline specs, they focused on real-world improvements: better battery, built-in lighting, high frame rate slow motion, faster connectivity. These are the things that actually make content creation easier. And that makes the Pocket 4 feel like a smart evolution rather than a radical redesign. Should you upgrade? If you're new to the Pocket lineup, this could easily become one of the best compact creator cameras available. If you already own the previous model, the upgrade decision will depend on how much you value built-in lighting, longer battery life, and super slow motion video. But for creators who want maximum portability without sacrificing quality, this might be the sweet spot. So what do you think? Is the built-in LED enough to make you upgrade? Or are you waiting for a rumored Pro version with higher resolution? Let me know in the comments. And if you want the latest DJI leaks, launches, and first looks before everyone else, don't forget to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone and hit the bell so you never miss the next big update.